Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Fun with Vintage Hi-Fi. Today I want to show you something I came across. I didn't even know that Technics made those kind of record players. Let me just show you with the cover up. The basically is Technics direct drive automatic turntable system SL-1650. As you can see, is made Technics by Panasonic. Not something unusual, but when Panasonic took over Technics, that's when they start producing it. This model is also available with shorter middle spindle. As you can see, this one is quite high. The reason for it, why it's like that, is basically, as you can see in the middle, has some kind of, not hooks, but kind of little posts to hold the records, because this is a record changer. How it works, I will introduce you in a second. Let me just show you what's on it. So basically on this side, you have a start-stop lever. You have a knob to tune what size of the record you have, so obviously singles, maxi singles and long plays. And then memogram. Memogram is basically for choosing how many records you get. We're gonna see this in a second. Or if it's the one record, is basically repeating it. So you can put up to 6 records or R as a repeat completely over and over, while up to 6 times can change 6 records, or 6 times gonna repeat your only record which you have on the player. On this side we have a speed when you're choosing 33 or 45, and obviously to regulate the pitch. Let me just show you how it works. So quickly, just to point at how it works, I want to just put it on a stand because I will need 2 hands to show you this, guys, how it works. Maybe a little bit on the angle, yeah. And when we have a single record, we can put this one to repeat, let's say twice. You put the start, obviously lever is down, is on the rest. So because if you leave a arm lever down up, they will never go down. It was always gonna show. So let's put the start. Everything starts. You see, obviously the pitch control goes, and the arm automatically, because it knows what size of the record, it goes exactly to the beginning, and it can start playing. So obviously that's what it's gonna be. And as you maybe realize, from 2 it jumped to 1, the repeater. That's quite cool. Is now we know how many times is gonna left to play. That's really cool, really unusual, very fancy automatic one. Today I'm using different cartridge than actually volume down a little bit because it's quite hard. Then it was originally with it, because the needle is in the previous one is a little bit gone, so I have to replace the cartridge, but this cartridge was supplied with it. So you see, automatic one. So basically it's still one more, and then we decided I don't like it, or you can press the start again, and it goes. That means it wants to change, so it goes to the second and repeats itself again, because we've done it the start. When that means we want it from the beginning, but when we want to literally start, is like stop and start it again, you put the stop, it goes up, basically goes back and goes down, while the memogram goes to the position lower. In that case it is basically to 0. Let me show you the bigger movement. So let's move the lever up, let's put the to the end almost, just to make sure what I want to show you. So let's say we wanted to lever down, it goes. I want to show you that's basically how it goes automatically on it, and I will explain you in a second how it works when we're gonna put a little bit more records on it, as is a automatic record changers. So I want to literally get this disc to the end and show you how it works. So this one, as a repeat one, you see, is getting to the end. So slowly is getting itself to the end of the record, and once it's gonna finish, because it's on the automatic memogram, you will see what's gonna happen. And let's have a look. It goes to the end, goes up. Let's have a look. It goes on the runoff area. Then it's gonna recognize that basically this is it, this is done, and where we have the end of it, here we go. Goes to the end, goes up, goes back to the resting area. As you've seen, this one goes down, means one less to jump, but we already done that. So without we're gonna do the stop on that lever. Let's finish. Goes down, and this goes to 0, means the last one left. So let's completely 0. When you do the on stop, it should go off itself. So arm goes down and it switches off itself. So now let me introduce you to the changer. Changer is pretty good. So basically, when you're bringing home the disc and the new records, you put them down, and they're not going all the way down because of those little studs which I show you. And then you can load another one on the top of it, and another one on the top of it, and then you can do up to 6 of them. So on that repeat memogram, I have 3 discs. So let's put 3 records on it. Everything is done. The size of the disc is correct. Speed is correct. We just push the start button. Look at this, what's gonna happen. Arms go up. As you can have a look, boom, one down, and rest of the disc stays up, and first disc is start playing, while the rest of the discs, as you can see, they not moving. So the middle spindle basically stays as it's supposed to be. So it doesn't move. It stays as it doesn't turn the disc around. So basically, whole plate is moving around the spindle rather than go with it. So when you do that, let's say I don't want this disc always in the middle, as we can play it before. You decided, let's try another one. So what we do, we press stop, goes up, arm moves away, disc go down, arms move back to the next disc, and there we go. And it plays another disc. That's how cool it is. I never came across that size of it. I've seen the changers for the little singles, but never for full record one. And you imagine, you can put 6 of them on it, which is unbelievable. And then we go. It plays another one. But let me show you also this operation when it goes to the end, because obviously here we manually reverse it. So let's lift it up, and I want to present you how it goes when it goes to the end. So let's have a look. On the end, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to match it the end of the record. Hopefully something like that. The arm is I just realized, there we go, it went up and down, and then we can add it something else if we want, because this one goes completely there. So let's add another disc. Let's see. Oh, my arm was up, so that's why it didn't come. So let's move it back. well, I'm gonna present you how it works on the ends, just to make sure. This one has a big run of area. So once they're playing, as this one, we can add another disc if we want, without any problems. You can literally, during the playing, add another disc, go to the switch to the one more. I like this, that during the filming something happened, I forgot to put that lever down to present you this, guys. That's, you see, quite cool. So now let's see how this goes to the end of the disc, because we have that one more is going to be played. I want to show you also how, so you can see the arm actually, how is this to the end, just to make sure you guys see it. This, how cool is this little player? It's not a little, it has a weight to it for stabilizing, so that's also quite cool. Okay, so this one ends, as you see, it goes to the run of area, lifts up, moves away from the disc and go down, and the next one is playing. I think you might think it's gonna affect the pitch. You know, the weight of the discs are not gonna affect the pitch too much, probably a little bit, because obviously more we edit, the more will go. And then you can have 6 of them, and as you see, goes to 0 on it. And when we want it, that's it, we finish. You can just move the lever here, the start stop one, push to the stop, and it goes automatically. Realize we want to stop, that's it, is over. It should go down, there we go, and whole player stops automatically. Thank you, guys. See, thank you to being patient. Have a look, and if you ever come across the lovely one, Technics SL-1650 automatic turntable, always come here. It's a lot of fun. Maybe it's not the best on the market. People might say, oh, it's the direct drive, which is direct with the motor, not with a belt, how people prefer. But I really like the novelty of it and how you can make it. You can, the cover is so deep, so basically you can put your 6 discs easily, make a start, close the lid, and that's not a problem there. Without the dust, it will operate. This one was American import, is on 120 volts power, so I have a little AC converter to do this. So as you can see, from 240 to 120, so I think is more available in the US, as I did not come in Europe across one like that. Thank you guys for watching, hope you guys enjoy it. Really cool record player. Unfortunately, this one also was damaged in transport. Someone put something on it heavy, and is a little bit of damage of the cover, but you know, it's cracked, so nothing to be worried too much. The hinges are good, that's the most important. Thank you for watching, hope you guys enjoy. You know what to do, hit the subscribe button and see what we can come up with next time. Thank you.